Hey everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you some tricks which you can use to increase your WooCommerce online store sales. And these tricks are very easy, and by default WooCommerce offers these options, but a lot of online store owners do not use this properly, or they do not use it at all. So if you are also not using this feature properly, I will show you how to use this feature and how it works. Okay, so I will show you a normal listing I have for this. Okay, it is a Nike running shoe, and you can see here a related product. It is based on the tag and category, and additional information, review. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to increase the cart value of your customer, your buyer, so you can sell them extra and make extra profit. Okay, and to learn this, we are going to learn from the best, that is Amazon. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce site, and we are going to implement the same things they do. Okay, so for example, I have searched a similar listing. You can also search whatever your product is, you can search it in Amazon and see how their listing looks and how you can make a listing similar to them or better than them. Okay, so let's say I will pick this shoe, and you can see here, you can see they have a short description here, and if you scroll down, here the other product descriptions, and this is a long description but the main thing we are going to focus on is this: customer who bought this item also bought these products. So what it is called upsell. So we are upselling this product. So any customer who wants to buy a shoe, and we are going to try to sell them some extra stuff, and Amazon has a lot of data, so they know exactly what customers would be interested in who are looking to buy this product. Okay, so and I'm going to show you how that will work, basically the concept. So you can either promote them another shoe, okay, that works, and what else you can do is you have to understand the customer's intent. Okay, so the customer is looking for a running shoe, so that means they are into fitness. Okay, so you can try to sell them another fitness product. Okay, let's say they obviously want this for running. Okay, so what else they would like something to track their fitness. Okay, so you can try to sell them some fitness tracking product. Okay, if you have it on your site or something related to fitness. Okay, this is just an example. So whatever your product is, you have to try to understand the customer's intent, why they are buying that product, and what else they would be interested in. So I will show you now how we can implement in our WooCommerce online store. Okay, so you can see here, this is a normal listing. I've already shown it to you. So to add upsell product, go to edit product, and from here scroll down and go to linked products, and here you will see these two options, upsell and cross sell. First I have explained you the upsell, and I will also explain you the cross sell later. Okay, so to add a product, let's say I want to sell them a fitness book. Okay, it is not exactly a fitness book, but okay, I have this recipe book. So let's say it has fitness related kind of food. Okay, so it is a fitness food book. Okay, recipe book. Okay, and then I will update it. Then let's view the product now and scroll down, and you can see here we have added you may also like. Before, only the related product was visible here, which is based on the category and tags, and now you can see the similar section like Amazon, customer who bought this item also bought, you may also like. So let's assume it is a fitness food recipe book. So customers who are interested in buying this shoe, they will be very likely also be interested in a fitness program book or something like that. Okay, since I do not have any tracking app, fitness tracking product, so I can promote, but I have a fitness related book, so I will promote this. Okay, so this is how upsell works, and this is how you can simply increase the cart value of your customer and make more sales. Okay, and it is very easy to implement. And now I will explain you how the cross-sell work. Go to edit product, and again, if I want to show you, let's say I have not logged in, but let's say if it works. Okay, let's see how our cart looks. Okay, it is asking me to sign in, only then it will show. But I will show you how the cross-sell work. Again, go to edit product, scroll down, link product, and cross-sell product is when you are about to check out, we will show you another product. We'll promote another product to the customer which they may be interested in. It is similar to upsell, but we are getting another chance to promote a product to the customer. Okay, so if they have not bought the upsell, or if they have bought the upsell, you can try to cross-sell another product to them. So first I will show you how the listing looks right now. Okay, and if I try to buy it, and let's go to view our basket, and you can see here there's nothing here. Okay, it is only our product, and that's it. So let's remove it. Now let's another cross-sell. Just for the example, I will add the same book, or I will add another shoe, let's say. Then update it. Let's view our product. Okay, now let's select an option. Let's say we want to buy white number 6 and add it to our basket. Now let's view our basket, and now you can see here that you may also be interested in this black color. So that's how cross-sell work, and you get another chance to promote another product. Okay, in upsell, the product will be visible on the main product page, whatever you are promoting, like this book, and in the cross-sell it will be shown where the product you are trying to promote will be shown on the cart page. Okay, so that's this is a very simple trick to increase more sales and with your existing customer base, and it's really simple. And okay, the only thing you have to do is try to understand the customer's intent, and based on the products you have in your inventory. Okay, and another simple trick you can do is it is for those viewers who come to your website but do not buy anything. It could be for any reason, like if they think the price was too high. So what you can do is, when they are trying to leave your website, that is going to close the tab or the browser, you can show them a pop-up and give them a extra discount code written for their email subscription to your newsletter. So once you get the email subscription, you can try to keep promoting them more offers, offer them extra discount, so they become your customer. And once they become your customer, they are very likely to make more purchases. And it really depends on your site, depends on your store and how much money you are making and all that. So I have some tutorial for adding I have another tutorial for adding a pop-up and for how to create coupon codes in WooCommerce. So I will give link to those tutorials. So if you're interested, you can watch them. And in future I will also create a dedicated video just to with how to create coupon codes and offer them with pop-up subscription. So if I have created this tutorial, you should be able to view that on your screen right now. And if it is I have not created that, you can find all the relevant and useful link in the description and also in the comments. So that's it guys for this video, and I will see you in the next video.